Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more. Alright, let's get started. First, I'm working on these shelves that have definitely seen better days. There's always a mix of knickknacks, books, and random little items that somehow gather dust no matter how often I clean. I'm giving each section a good wipe with my cloth to get rid of that dusty layer. It's so satisfying to see everything start to look fresh and tidy again. Next, I'm moving over to the cabinet shelves. This part feels more like a reset, carefully wiping away every bit of dust and making sure no corner is left untouched. The process is almost meditative, just focusing on one surface at a time, watching as the cleaner does its job and leaves behind a streak-free shine. Next up is the floating TV stand. I always forget how quickly this area collects dust, especially with all the electronics and wires. A quick but thorough wipe down brings it back to life. It's such a small detail, but having it clean makes the whole room feel neater. Finally, I'm giving some attention to the coffee table. It's right next to the TV stand, so it tends to share the same dusty fate. That's it for today's cleaning session, and I'd love to hear from you. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.